Good evening, everyone. Thank you all for finding time and visiting today's seminar. My name is Madhukar Samatam. I am founder and director at Professional Education Services. Our company is the leading provider of tutorial services, mechanical CAD design training, and project assistance. Today, our webinar topic is challenges and opportunities for the students in preparation for higher education, higher education competitive exams in India and now and post COVID-19. Now we can begin. Our today's topic speaker is Professor P. Lakshminarayan sir from Usmania University. Coming to the webinar, we will be having a doubt session at the end of the class. So don't interrupt the session in the middle of the class. So we can have, if anyone have doubts, you can write it down and ask at end of the session. So we will be then going to the welcome to the surprise section. You can see on the screen. Yeah. I welcome on the behalf of PES, I welcome P. Lakshminarayan sir to this webinar. It is also live streamed in Facebook and YouTube at the same time. If anyone have doubts in the Facebook or YouTube, please mention your doubts in the comment section. We will be getting back at the end of the session. So coming to the speaker, Professor P. Lakshminarayan sir has a rich experience in administration, community service and corporate activities and proactive with the sound organizing and decision making skills. Star also presently working as a professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering, University College of Engineering, Usmania University. He is also a special officer for Alumni Association of Usmania University, OU from 2010 to present. He previously taken the positions of Dean, Faculty of Engineering, Dean, Student Affairs, both at the Usmania University. He is also former head in for the Department of Mechanical Engineering, University College of Engineering, OU. He also acted as a former vice principal for University College of Technology. He has guided more than 100 plus students in research for the BE, ME, and PhD level students. He has published around more than 800 international journals and national research publications. He has introduced alumni scholarship to the poor and rural background students in the university by the alumni of OU. He has delivered many guest lectures at IP, Geetham University, Usman University, and many more reputed institutes and universities. I now welcome P. Lakshminarayan sir to present his webinar. Thank you, everyone. So please take on the class.
Good evening, all of you. Especially thanks for the Madhukar and his team of professional education services, and also the Alia Foundation for introducing me. Madhukar, thank you. And this is an opportunity for me to interact with you people. There are many parents, students, and experts also may be there. So today's challenge is mainly challenges and opportunities in higher education system in India. So all of you will know about that because of this COVID effect and how it is going on and how it is the people are panic and due to this pandemic, and some of the tips for the students for preparing for the competitive exams during this pandemic of COVID-19. So first you have to create yourself good environment, a study environment. So the study environment is very important. So this will allow the students to maintain concentration and minimize the learning efficiency. Choose a place with a proper ventilation, lighting, and minimal distractions where you can study peacefully. Because in the house, brother is studying in online classes, attending online classes, sister is watching a movie, mother is watching a TV. So many disturbances is distracting that. So that is not good environment for the preparing for a competitive exams. So if you're going out and sitting under the tree means we don't know how the pandemic will come out from the outside. So be careful and choose that place in such a way. You have to protect your surroundings, and it should having a good ventilation and having a good lighting. and as much as possible distractions. So this way, create the study environment is very important. And another one is you have to goal setting. Set realistic goals according to your potential and priorities. What is your potentials? What is your priorities? And you have to set your goals actually. So realistic targets keep you motivated, helps you focus better rather than getting worked up and unrealistic goals. And stick to specific short-term goals and work towards them with a proper study plan. So you want to go to the movie means that exactly that 3 hours you will get the benefit out of it. Similarly, the short-term goals also, you want to study this topic today because you are preparing the competitive exams. In the competitive exams, what are the government policies? How the government is implementing it? What is the economy is how it is happening it? What is the GDP of the country? How the people are discussing on that? How the people are reporting on the newspapers? So you have to come to your own conclusion. So many ways, so many resources are there to getting the information, and come your own way and write up your own article and keep it ready for you based on the if the COVID is attack positive, then what are the precautions supposed to take? You write your own way. Listen from the many sources and write up your own ideas, your own way, what is the correct. What you believe in it is correct. It may be correct, may not be correct, but your own way you have to make it. Maintaining or stick to the specific short-term goals. So that short-term goals, what are the immediately precautions supposed to take? Emergency. So what if it's happened to you? Believe it yourself. So if it is positive in your case, what are the precautions supposed to take it? How you are going to curing it? Where you are approaching? How many people are approaching it? How many precautions? What are the precautions you are taking? So so many things are coming in that. So those things, your short-term goal should be there like that for your competitive exams also. Set a time to complete your task. So you have to fix your time for the completing your tasks to complete your required and time required and efforts to complete it. So be determined to complete the task within the specified time. Plan and schedule your daily activities and try not to let anything interrupt your schedule. The scheduling in such a way, if really there is an exam is there, tomorrow there is a MSET exam is there. So the rules says that it should be there before starting of the exam. Exam is at 10 o'clock means sharp 10. Exam is 9 o'clock means sharp 9. You should be there in the hall. Even 1 minute late also they won't allow you. So it means the time complete task. They will take that, how the scheduling it is. So it is not interrupting your schedule. So you will go there before 9 o'clock. What are the transportation mode? How you will go? Are any available or not? So who is accompanying you? What are the things to be carried with you? You have to checklist, you have to keep it and follow the things. Similarly, you have to complete your task also in every time, every day for the competitive examination. So make use of this lockdown period for preparing the pandemic of COVID-19. So again, what you learn in the above, that is your goals and completing your task. So discuss what you learn with your peer group. So everything you have to discuss with your colleague or your father, teacher, brother, who knows about this. Or if no one is there, put it in the WhatsApp and put it in a YouTube. People will give the commenting, liking, disliking, and create something. So people are liking it means ask them to give your opinions, right? Their comments on that. So like that, discuss whatever you learn for your competitive examination. So this is a peer discussions also help you check your This is going to check your progress and exchange knowledge while offering friendly and healthy competition. And take regular breaks actually. So continuously sitting at one place and thinking the same ideas at a time, it is also not good actually. So always what is happening in the COVID is difficult. Better watch a movie and watch some other thing, go to the walking with the precautions and play some game with your friends, 5, 6 people with precaution. A play schedule only, just only 2 people is enough. So some kind of breaks at regular intervals. Or you can listen to music If you really want to sing good song, sing it, and take little intervals actually, listening music and watching little bit of the movie in TV, then stop it, and again you restart from the same where you stopped it. So like that. And short breaks will make your study time more efficient and productive. And meditation and physical exercise. So meditation also is required to help you clamp your mind and improve your concentration power. And exercise also, physical exercise is going to help the relaxation of your body. Always sitting at one posture, it's not good actually. Move here and there and make rejuvenate your body while enabling you to make your mind of things. And physical and mental exercise helps keep stress levels in check. So this is basically it's going to help you. And also sleeping is also very important for the human being. So at least minimum 7 to 8 hours, or at least 6 to 8 hours every day you have to sleep. Almost the sleep improves attention and concentration. If the lack of sleep affects your mood, focus, motivation, and sometimes drowsiness, stress, etc., so many things. Whatever you're reading, it may not enter into your mind. So those are the things you'll get that. So getting adequate sleep by going to bed, so early helps in better retention of all that is studied. And ensure you sleep at least 6 to 8 hours a day. So better sleep early actually, 9, and get up at 6. Keep away social media. If you are preparing for the competitive exams, social media also, it's a glance, that's it. Almost whatever is coming, everywhere it goes there actually. But don't send whatever the WhatsApp message you're getting it, forget about it. You got it means others also is getting it some way. When you are using any gradient during your study time, except during the breaks only you can see it. And also be positive, not the COVID positive. Be positive, always believe in yourself to achieve excellence in all that you do. So even the positive, COVID positive also don't need to worry about it actually. So only thing is how to protect, how to come out of it. So think that you are in the positive situation and your mind should be positive. Believe in yourself. Nothing will happen to me. And how to come out of it, what are the precautions supposed to take. Organizers for giving this opportunity. Any questions please, and we can interact.